TermSniper AI has just hit the market and it's already making waves. Whether you're new to the software or considering whether it's worth your time, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the 7 crucial things you need to know about TermSniper AI, so stick around until the end. I'm also going to let you know how you can try it completely free from the link below, so you won't want to miss that. First off, let's talk about what makes TermSniper AI unique. This is a tool designed specifically for marketers, business owners, and anyone looking to improve their digital campaigns. The real magic behind TermSniper AI is its ability to analyze and optimize your keywords in ways that were previously reserved for highly expensive, complex software. It's built to improve your keyword targeting, making your ads more effective, your SEO more precise, and ultimately driving more traffic. Now let's dive into the key features you'll need to understand to decide if this is the software for you. One of the standout features of TermSniper AI is its ability to instantly generate high-converting keyword terms. Whether you're running PPC campaigns or optimizing your website for search engines, this software can suggest keywords that are primed to convert based on up-to-date trends and real-time data. It's like having a marketing expert on your team, guiding you through every step of keyword research and implementation. Another thing I love about TermSniper AI is how it automates the analysis of keyword competition. With just a few clicks, you'll have access to detailed metrics about how tough your chosen keywords are to rank for, and it even suggests less competitive alternatives. This saves you so much time, as you don't have to manually dig through search engine results to find out what's really worth targeting. One of the key benefits of using TermSniper AI is its integration capabilities. It works seamlessly with major platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads, meaning you don't have to jump between different tools to get the full picture of your campaigns. Everything is streamlined, making it easier to manage your ads and SEO efforts from a single dashboard. In addition to that, TermSniper AI is great for tracking keyword performance over time. The software continuously monitors your keywords and gives you actionable insights into how well your keywords are performing, whether it's for paid ads or organic SEO. This feature is invaluable for anyone running long-term digital marketing campaigns and trying to continuously improve their ROI. What really sets TermSniper AI apart, however, is its machine learning technology. The AI isn't just looking at historical data, it learns and adapts based on your unique business needs. The more you use it, the smarter it gets, tailoring its recommendations to what works best for your business, your niche, and your target audience. The user interface is also incredibly intuitive. It's clear that TermSniper AI was designed with marketers in mind, with easy-to-read dashboards and clear, actionable data. If you're someone who's not very tech-savvy, you'll still be able to dive right in without any steep learning curves. And yes, you can try TermSniper AI for free. All you have to do is click the link in the description to sign up for a trial and get a hands-on feel for the software's capabilities. Before I wrap up, let me quickly remind you why TermSniper AI is worth considering. If you're a marketer or a business owner trying to increase the effectiveness of your campaigns with minimal effort, TermSniper AI is your go-to tool. It's easy to use, affordable, and packed with features designed to save you time and boost your results. In fact, after trying thousands of AI tools, I've narrowed down my recommended list, and TermSniper AI definitely makes the cut. If you're serious about improving your digital marketing efforts, don't wait. Check out the free trial using the first link below. And as always, check the description for my recommended AI tools that I've personally tested.